credit repair companies, please stop telling your clients that they did not agree to have their accounts sold to a third-party collector. I've seen this literally everywhere, and I'm going to show you where your clients are actually agreeing to have their information sold to a third-party debt collector. Here's just one example. This is the Capital One Kohl's card credit card agreement. You guys can find this stuff on consumercredit.gov. Okay, that's the CFPB's website, and it has a whole list of over 600 companies' credit card agreements. Now, typically when we open up credit cards, we don't pay attention to what is the fine print that is being given to us, because typically when we're opening credit cards, we do it with an emotion. We do it, we want the money, we don't care about anything else, we just want the money. And so we're not reading the small print. But I really encourage you to actually read the small print, because there's some things that can happen concerning your card that you're probably not aware of. And one of them is that, yes, you are agreeing to allow a company to sell your debt at any time they want to. They can sell your debt. Here's what it reads. Here on assignment, it says, we may assign your account any amounts you owe to us or any of our rights and obligations under this agreement to a third party. The person to whom we make the assignment will be entitled to any of our rights that we assign to that person, but you may not assign this account. So what does that mean? That means at any point, a credit card company can say, we're closing your account, we're throwing you into collections, and now this company that we've assigned your account to now has all of the equal rights, the same rights that we do, to collect the debt from you. Now, when you're doing credit repair, or you've hired a credit repair company, or you are a credit repair company, the correct information to give to your client is that debt can be sold or assigned to another company, but it still has to be accurate. And all of the information that was with the original company needs to transfer to the new company, meaning they need to be able to prove what it is that you owed them, how all of that information came to be, and it has to be reporting properly. That is real credit repair. Do not fall for these tricks from some of these credit repair companies that say you never gave them permission. Trust me, if you opened a credit card agreement, or if you got a medical bill, there is something in fine print that says we can assign or sell or have a business agreement with someone to collect this debt if you default.